We know that World Cup football is in the air, but we are obliged by the gravity of the occasion to hail the Jamaica Scorpions on winning the regional Super 50 cricket title for the first time in a decade. After some early stutters, Jamaica played some superb cricket to chase down 300 plus in the semi-final. And in the final, our bowlers restricted the big bad Trinidad and Tobago Red Force to just over 200 runs and breeze it off easy, like some men on a mission. And we must add that two of our top batsmen left for West Indies duty. And remember now, this is basically the same team with the same captain that just won the CPL. So effectively, we are the white ball champions of the region. And look, sometimes the Maverick don't like to say the obvious or say what everybody else is saying. But yo, the leadership of Radman Powell in both formats, the maturity, the growth, the willingness and ability to lead from the front, it was inevitable. Everybody see it, including the West Indies selectors, that the Jamaican skipper should logically be the next white ball captain of the West Indies. Yes, yes, yes. As we say farewell to Nicholas Suchman. Sorry, to Nicholas Pura.